The Airplane Factory announces the eagerly anticipated Sling TSI, the airplane that real aviators, with real budgets, have been waiting for. The first new production Sling TSI kit aircraft is being unveiled at the EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Like its predecessors, the Sling TSI has received critical acclaim for its capabilities, effortless handling, and all-around functionality. The name TSI is an homage to its 141 horsepower Rotax 915IS engine and marks a new chapter in the Airplane Factory's vision to build the world's most loved and versatile light aircraft. Compared to previous models, the Sling TSI has increased speed, increased rate of climb, longer range, increased carrying capacity, more space, and greater comfort, while remaining one of the best handling aircraft in its class. During testing, the prototype aircraft reached a maximum straight and level speed of 155 knots true airspeed and has a range of approximately 800 nautical miles. Fast cruise performance is targeted at 145 knots true airspeed and 9,000 feet mean sea level, with a fuel burn of approximately 8.4 gallons per hour. Economy cruise is targeted at 135 knots true airspeed at 9,000 feet mean sea level on a fuel burn of 7.2 gallons per hour. This aircraft will typically be equipped with a bespoke 3-blade Airmaster constant speed propeller, Garmin 10-inch G3X Touch EFIS and G5 backup EFIS, Garmin GTR 200 COM radio, Garmin GTX 35R remote transponder, Garmin Autopilot system with a GMC 307 autopilot controller and PM1002 4-place intercom. With a maximum gross weight of 2,095 pounds and a typical empty weight of just 1,080 pounds, the Sling TSI will have a useful load of 1,015 pounds with a fuel capacity of 45.5 US gallons, translating to a full fuel useful load of 740 pounds. The redesigned exterior features high-quality materials and design integrity, as well as great practicality with a range of technologies to improve comfort, convenience, and safety. The Sling TSI offers unrivaled performance, safety, and reliability in the hands of all pilots no matter the mission. Check out the uncompromising Sling TSI at airplanefactory.com. The Airplane Factory announces the eagerly anticipated Sling